In today's video I'm going to show you how to apply drop shadow effect in CapCut PC. Select clip you want to apply drop shadow effect to. Copy clip and paste it to create duplicate. Select upper clip, navigate to cutout and choose auto cutout. Disable low layer to only see isolated model. Copy second layer, then paste it. Enable first layer and disable third layer. Select second layer and go to adjustment. Use curve tool. Drag left corner point of brightness curve to right until layer turns totally black. Enable third layer, but lock it to prevent accident selection. Select black one layer, as it will be your drop shadow. Reduce opacity to achieve desired shadow intensity. You can apply motion blur for softer shadow edge. Go to Effects and then Video Effects, and find Motion Blur. Drag it over a second layer. Adjust horizontal motion blur settings to soften shadow edge. Now you can freely move drop shadow layer to desired position. You can review drop shadow effect to ensure it looks as desired.